Good evening, everybody, and we were looking for a coach this evening because we're going to be running our Davy Crockett. Well, with one of the locos, we're going to run on our Christmas layout and our standard track Christmas layout. And we had this languishing in the box, and you all may remember, or some of you might not, that this is actually the coach. Though it's based on the What's It set, Davy Crockett set. They're a different colour, they're yellow. But this is actually from the Railway Children set. Here's one that's complete. So there's one that's complete. But this was, well, it was a little bit damaged. What you can see in front of you is what's left of the wheels. I think Johnny's got the other two axles out. I think we had one set of axles that were missing. There should be another axle over there somewhere. We really put that in a drawer.
No, they're the only two you gave me.
What? So it only had two axles and it should have four. Should be another set of wheels. I gave you one set. But I think there was a set of wheels missing anyway. So we've had a little rummage through our bits and pieces, and we've managed to find some plastic ones that are the same size. Unfortunately, one of the bogies is actually broke. It's been glued before, and obviously I've just glued this side. You can see my thumb is. So we're going to give it a little test on the layout and see if it'll go around the layout. If it goes around this layout, then hopefully we should be able to use it with our Davy Crockett. Because our other Davy Crockett that we're using isn't in a box. It's not part of the set, and it's been painted by whoever owned it previously. So hopefully it'll go with it. So it's you just
find it.
It doesn't matter. It might have been missing. I don't know. But I know he had two wheels in it, and I gave you one set to look for them ones.
Yeah, that's still the whole one.
Ooh. Bloody thing.
That's still the whole one there.
Oh, right.
But I don't know where the other two you gave. I don't know what I've done with the other two.
Oh, right, don't matter. Anyway, so that's what we're going to do with that. So, do you want to? Should we, as it come from the Railway Children, should we put the Railway Children set on?
Might as well.
No, just the loco and the.
Just put the loco on with that.
Right.
Or do you want to get the one out of this box?
No, it don't work, does it?
Oh yeah.
Well, I don't think it does anyway. But you need the other coach, don't you?
Yeah.
Well, I'll stay there. I'll try and do it one-handed. So we only want that and that, don't we?
Yeah. Would it be easier if you want me to bring it here?
I suppose so. But that won't go on the things, will it? Will it? Is power on?
Yeah.
Go on, turn it on.
Power's on.
No, nothing. Well, that don't work then. So we need to have a look at that. It's not brilliant, is it? So you may guess we got two of these.
upstairs in the cupboard upstairs?
Yeah, that works. So we've actually got run and get it in. Right, so whilst he goes and get that, let me right, sorry about that little delay. So there you go. There's your Railway Children set up. What year was this? 1971. So we're a bit out of our remit in a moment, but I just wanted to get this, and it's looks like it's got a piggy in there. I'll have to take that roof off. It looks like it's got a piggy in there. Look, I think it's a bit of old plasticine, because that one hasn't got a piggy in it. So sorry, Mr. Piggy, if you're in there. It definitely looks like a piggy.
Probably hungry.
Yeah, oink oink. So, anyway. Getting distracted again.
We're procrastinating.
Oh, we're good at that. We're experts at that.
Just...
Right, go on then. Nice and slowly. So this is the one we've just replaced. I've repaired the bogie and replaced the wheels. So, and it should go chuff chuff in a minute, because it has got a smoke unit, but it has to do like 95 mile an hour for it to get to work. But you never know, it might start puffing in a minute. Give it a bit more speed then, John.
Puffy.
Yeah, but I can't see it. Nope. Well, that goes alright, doesn't it?
I think it shows up on my jumper. It's black and white. I think it shows up on my jumper. I think it's run out.
No, it's going again.
Is it?
Yeah.
If you point the camera at my jumper, I think it shows up. It might show up, it might not.
The train's going too fast to catch it on the camera.
Oh.
Because we can't do a slow-mo, can we?
No, you'd have to do that separately. What it's doing, it's not going up, it's just going straight back.
But it will do, because the train's going so fast. Slow it down a little bit.
It just stops puffing.
Well, anyway, that works fine, doesn't it? We're only testing the coach.
It smells like baby oil now.
So that's the carriage we're going to be using with Davy Crockett. Why is it getting slower and slower? No, over there. So, there you go. Thanks for watching. And what we're doing next?
57.
57.
Oh, unless you want to do the transcontinental stuff in the 56 book.
Yeah, but it's the same, isn't it?
Yeah, so just do 57 then.
Yeah, right. Right. Okay. Right. So there you go, everybody. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back soon. Bye for now.